Today, I'm excited to talk about the Third Reality Smart Button. This Third Reality Smart Button allows you to control individual smart home devices or groups of devices via routines and scenes. It is equipped with a single button that has 3 control settings: pressed, double pressed, and hold. It uses the standard 3.0 Zigbee protocol, which means that you must have a Zigbee capable hub in order to operate this switch. Compatible hubs include SmartThings version 2 and 3, the Aeotec-SmartThings hub, Habitat Home Assistant, or the Third Reality Smart Hub. Third Reality clarifies that its smart button is not compatible with Amazon Echo devices, even though they may have the built-in Zigbee hub. The Third Reality Smart Button is powered by 2 AAA batteries. Because Zigbee devices have low power consumption, the device is capable of operating up to 3 years of normal use. The button's wireless and compact design permits you to mount it easily anywhere. It comes with adhesive tape and magnetic strips, so you can easily stick it on your appliances or on a wall surface. The button is native to SmartThings, so it's very simple to install. To pair the device, just select Add a Device and then select Scan for nearby devices. You'll pull the plastic isolator tab from the battery compartment, and the blue light on the front of this switch will begin flashing. When the SmartThings app discovers your switch, it'll display as a Third Reality Smart Button. When you open up your Third Reality Smart Button device settings, you will see that it'll display as a status of standby. Below the button status, you'll see 3 smart button modes. You can assign specific actions to occur based on these 3 different control settings. And finally, there is a panel which displays the battery level. When setting up this device in the SmartThings app, you want to assign button actions within the device settings. Simply go to the Third Reality Smart Button within your SmartThings device list. Click on the buttons tile and select the pressed control setting. You will then be prompted to choose what to happen when the conditions are met. Click on the plus sign and select Control Devices, and then select the particular device that you want to control. Click on Next and then select the action that you would like to happen. I selected to turn on my lamp. Then you'll tap Save and Done, and then you'll repeat these steps for the other control settings of held and double pressed. To demonstrate my setup of the SmartThings button, I assigned the button's 3 control settings to these 2 lamps. I'll refer to these lamps as Lamp 1 and Lamp 2. When I single press the smart button, Lamp 1 turns on. When I double press the smart button, Lamp 2 turns on. And then when I press and hold the smart button, both lamps turn off. The Third Reality Smart Button is a great device to add to your SmartThings home. There are countless applications for this sort of device. It can be used to turn off or on a group of lights. It can trigger a scene when you return home or when you sit down to watch a movie. It can also be used as a panic button to trigger an alarm and send a text notification to a loved one. This device is only limited by your imagination. Check out this and many other SmartThings compatible devices in my Amazon store. Until the next Bud Smart Home episode, keep automating and God bless.